Hello guys, welcome back to our market analysis video on Nifty and Bank Nifty. First of all, let's recap what we had discussed in yesterday's video. So coming to Bank Nifty, we were discussing yesterday there was a ledge around 50,600 levels, and this ledge itself will likely get retested. If at all Bank Nifty sustains above 50,780 to 800 levels, there is a good possibility it will cover the whole value area and the PO and the poor high at 51,070 levels, and there is a good possibility it might even go for 51,380 levels to 51,500 levels, which is the single print formed on 12th November. And these single prints, as you know, multiple times I have repeated, these single prints, these imbalances, they get revisited. So what happened today, the opening itself is just above the value area, and it was an open drive and the price is closed inside the value area. There is a acceptance in the second time period, little more than 2 TPOs, indicating a acceptance inside the value area here. And if you look at around 11:45, the acceptance itself is into the 13th November value area, indicating likely it will go for this value area also. So what happened here? Once the acceptance is there, the whole value area has been covered, the poor high has been covered at 51,065, and the high itself is around 51,280 levels. So for any kind of further up move, you need to watch for these levels. This is where, if you go into daily time frame, this is where the multi-day balance is there. So if you go back to my couple of days back videos, I was stressing on this multi-day balance low, where almost more than 1 month prices have spent around these levels. So if it gets accepted above 51,300 to 400 levels, there is a good possibility buyers will take control, and you will easily see 52,400 levels in a couple of days. So you need to watch for these levels very carefully. Unless that happens, sellers might again try to take control. The Maharashtra election results are going to be out tomorrow, so that is going to give some kind of boost for Monday markets, unless there are no surprises in tomorrow election results. Going back, so for a down move, look for an acceptance just below 50,640 levels. Any acceptance here, you will see 50,380 and the value area low at 50,154. So for any kind of other down move, if you want to look for acceptance below 49,700 to 49,800 level. Any acceptance here or sustaining for, let's say, 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we might see a down move strongly towards 49,000 and 48,000. 47,000 is also very much possible in few days, if not in a single day. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. And coming to Nifty, guys, yesterday I was pointing out that prices itself is below the failed auction, so there is a possibility of one more lower low towards 23,100 to 150 levels, but that has not happened today. Yesterday I was also pointing out there was a buyer here on Monday who had taken the prices upside, but yesterday what happened is there was a seller who took the prices immediately downside. So at pullback high, that seller, the morning 30-minute seller, has come and pushed the prices down. But then I was also pointing out the levels 23,440 to 450 levels. If it gets accepted, likely Nifty will go for the single print at 23,540 levels, because single prints gets balanced out. These are the imbalances in the market. And I was also pointing out one more level to watch for 23,660 to 680 levels. So if it gets accepted, I was speaking about the POC at 23,800 to the poor high at 23,850 is very much possible. So today what happened, it got accepted inside Tuesday value area also, and whole value area has been covered, and the single print at 23,970 levels has almost touched. If you look at the high itself is a weak high. So for Monday, what you should be looking for is there is a good possibility again this high itself will get tested. If you focus today, as the price is going up today, there is not much of any kind of pullback in today market, so that indicates there is a strong one time framing market. What this one time framing market tells you is there is a strong buying momentum today. because of this buying momentum, any contrarian strategies which has worked for, let's say, out of 10 days it might have worked 7-8 days, but any contrarian strategies on these one time framing market, they don't work out. At the same time, these one time framing markets are least reliable. So when I say least reliable, this one time framing market range itself will get revisited within short span of time. So let me show you some examples to just give you how these things work. So today is a one time framing market from 10:45. On 6th November, this is a one time framing market all the way from 10:15. So nowhere there is a proper pullback, and if you look at on the next day itself, immediately the prices came down all the way, covering towards the low point. And let me show you one more example, and this is a one time framing market on 31st October. If you look at on the next day itself, November 1st, Deepavali Muhurta trading was there, and it was a gap up, and then prices came down again. Now let me show you one more one time framing market. This itself is again a good one time framing market, except last up move. So if you look at on the next day itself, the one time framing market, whatever selling has been there, it has covered. These are few examples. So this one time framing market, guys, these are least reliable. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.